Purchased a used Toro Reelmaster 4500D a year ago and had it sitting inside our warehouse till last month. Installed some missing rollers and took her out to try. Runs pretty good with reels disengaged, but once they are engaged the temperature gauge starts to climb gradually to a point where it activates the cutoff switch. We have checked all the norms like adjusting belts, replacing water/coolant, remove thermostat, but still overheating when engaged. What should we be looking at to fix this overheating problem? Sare. No. 03702 to 30126.
Hi, my name isXXXXX will try to help. There are a few things that could cause your overheating problem that you haven't listed yet: water pump, head gasket, or engine under an excessive load. Check your actual temp as well with a digital temp reader to verify it is actually overheating, as it could be possible the temp switch is activating prematurely. Check for restrictions in the cooling system and the cooling fan operation as well. I hope this helps. Let me know if you need further assistance with this.
Hi Dan.
Hi.
Hi Dan, the mower cuts off when it gets excessively hot, so the temp switch must be okay. We've drained the water in the radiator, flushed it and added coolant. Water is flowing fast through radiator, so I assume water pump is okay. We will check the fan operation. What are some of the things that would cause excessive load on the engine? Hi Dan, thanks for your reply.
Could be any component that is driven from the engine, such as the transmission, hydraulic pump, a tight bearing somewhere, etc. Does the engine seem to bog down excessively when you engage the reels? Maybe there could be a problem in that circuit if it is only overheating when they are engaged. If you disconnect/bypass each component for the reels and inspect them, you might find a problem. This is on potential cause where the engine possibly overworking under a load. Let me know if you have to dig further and what the results are.
Hi Dan. 1. The mower cuts off when overheating, so I suppose the cutoff temp switch and cutoff are working. Okay, we'll keep you posted.
Do you have a digital temperature reader to check the temp when it cuts off? If you do, then it might not be a bad idea to see what temp you are running at. Let me know.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.